Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am super excited, and this was actually requested on my Instagram. So yeah, today I finally got my Christmas gift in, and I'm so excited because these were on like back order. So yeah, today's video is going to be something a little different. I'm going to be doing a Apple Watch unboxing. So currently right now I had bought the Series 3 Apple Watch, but I upgraded to the Series 4. And then I also got the GPS and cellular one, so it's also attached to my cell phone plan as well. So the reason being I had upgraded to the Series 4, I'm just going to get this right out of the way because I know I'm going to get like so many comments about it. But really what drew me in, because normally I don't really care, it's like it's a watch. Even when I first started buying the Apple Watches, I had the Series 1 watch for like 3 years. So, and I never had an issue with it, but the watch was starting to get really slow and really laggy, so then that's when I upgraded to the Series 3. Now, since I upgraded to the Series 4 watch, what really drew me in was, many of you guys know I have seizures. So the one thing that really emphasized with the new Apple Watch is that it has fall detection now. So basically, like, so say like if I go into a seizure while I'm at work or anything like that, it notifies my husband, which is my emergency contact, and it also calls the paramedics for me as well if I become unresponsive for 60 seconds. So with that being said, that like really like drew me in, and I've actually, thank God, I have been seizure free. On January 13th I will have been seizure free for 1 year, and I'm super excited. And yeah, but without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. If you guys are interested, I will have, because I bought some accessories off of Amazon, so I will have those linked down below if you guys have the Apple Watches and you guys want to get some accessories. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the video. But before we do that, make sure you guys go ahead, click that subscribe button down below for me. While you're at it, give that notification bell a click as well, so that way you guys are notified when the next time I upload a video. And give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed. But yeah, let's finally get started. I'm just so excited, and I've already unpaired my Series 3 watch here. Man, just it's time to let her go. It's time to let you go. All right. And I've already unpaired it and everything, so. All right guys, so I decided to get, of course you guys know I have the iPhone XS Max in the gold. So I figured I would get the gold watch as well to match my phone. So yes. And I also got the 40mm one, if you guys can see that. There we go. Now, with that being said, so normally I buy my Apple Watches outright, but this Christmas it's been like really tough. So I decided to do device payments on my cell phone plan, along with an additional line for the watch itself. But yeah, I'm just really excited, and I'm mainly really excited as well that I actually have it on my cell phone plan, because there's been times where I forget my phone at home, which happens not really so often, but it happens. So I'm really excited. So let's just go ahead and open up this baby. Now, you guys know I do work for Verizon, so I know how to set these up. Oh my goodness, that's so cute that they decided to do that like inside. Like, I always feel like Apple goes like all out for their packaging. All right, so when you guys first open up the box, you do get this guy right here, which has the watch inside it, and of course here is the bands. From Amazon, I did purchase these. They are third-party accessories, but I was really excited. So I picked up a watch band set. There's actually 3 bands in here. So I got like the Nike type style, and like this like aqua one is like really calling my name, but I got like a gray and a white one, this like turquoisey and black one, and then this navy blue with baby pink. So I thought these are super cute, and I paid, I think it was like $20 for all 3 of these, compared to like $50 for like one band, which I had paid when I have my white one, which I'm pretty sure is in here. Yes, it is. I actually have to like bleach this, but I'm actually going to be keeping my white one here, but I ended up getting some fake blood on it, so I have to like bleach it to remove the stains. Alright, so I'm not really too sure if I'm going to keep the pink one. Alright, so when you open up the band, so this is what it looks like. It's like this pink color, which I love, and I feel like the band is a little bit thinner now. I don't know, like it looks just a little bit thinner. Oh yeah, it's just a little bit thinner now. That's crazy. Alright, so watch bands are a little bit thinner now, just to let everybody know. Alright, and here is for the watch unboxing. So when you open up the lid, so the watch is right here. It's in this cute little carrying case, and I'm really excited for the color. So this is what the new Apple Watch looks like. Like I said, I did get the gold one, and it is just a little bit thinner compared to the Series 3. So let me just remove these bands here real quick so you guys can see the difference. Okay, so Series 4, Series 3. So yes, it is quite a little bit thinner, and then I'm pretty sure the screen size is a little bit as well. And of course on the back, the heart rate monitor has changed as well. And then the backs have changed. So the metal ones have the ceramic back, and then compared to the Series 3, which has the composite back. So really excited about that. Also going back to the Amazon accessories, I also got some screen protectors as well. So yeah, because my Series 3, it is like scratched like really bad, like up in here, like pretty much just like the outside corners, and I just want to keep the Series 4 in like super extreme like pristine condition for like as long as I can. So it's basically this clear guy. And it is rubber, so that's just what it looks like. So it'll definitely help protect the screen, which I'm actually going to put that on right now. So it's on there nice and snug, and I have a little bit of like screen protection on there. Not really too sure what color I want to do. You know what, just for the video I'll put on the pink one. Just why not, guys? Just because the pink one is super pretty. I'm really excited to have like the gold one back because my Series 1 Apple Watch, that one was pink as well. Alright, so that's with the bands on it here. I feel like, yes I did. Usually when it comes to like the bands here, I have to have it like a certain way, and that sounds so bad, but I really do have to have it like a certain way. I feel like it's like so stiff. Oh my god, I love it, guys. All right, so I'm just going to pair my Apple Watch, and yeah, I will be right back. All right, guys, so I have my Apple Watch finally all set up, and I swear it was probably like the fastest I have ever been able to set up my Apple Watch. But yeah, so this is the color that I chose. I chose like the little hibiscus color. So as far as like watch faces, the only thing that's new, which I'll show you, there's a couple on here actually. Just use the crown here. So this watch face is new. It's called Infograph, but I just feel like this face, it just has like so much going on, and it's just like really annoying. And then there's this one as well. This is the modular one, which I actually might do that one. But yeah, there's just so many new watch faces, so I always go with modular, so that one's my personal favorite. So other than that, all of like the watch controls are the same. So of course here is like all of my apps, which I might have to get rid of like a couple here, but yes. So here is that I do believe it is an ECG, which is like your heart rate monitor. Yes, ECG. So yes, and it literally does like everything, which come to think of it, I wonder if like my medical information is on here. Yes, it is. Medical information is on there. That is so nice. But yeah, guys, so this is Apple Watch Series 4. I'm super excited. Alright guys, so that was my Apple Watch unboxing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a big thumbs up for me. And yeah, like I said, I will have those third-party accessories linked down below if you guys are interested. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!